Family ties are intricate webs that connect us to our roots, shaping our identities and influencing the course of our lives. Among the various branches of my family tree, one particular connection holds a special place in my heart: my cousin. My cousin, Emily, is a person of remarkable qualities and diverse interests. Born and raised in a small town, she embodies the charm of rural life while also harboring a curiosity that extends far beyond the confines of her hometown. As I reflect on our shared memories, it becomes evident that our bond is more than just a familial connection. It's a tapestry woven with threads of shared experiences, laughter, and occasional disagreements. Emily and I spent our childhood exploring the vast fields surrounding our grandparents' farm. Those endless summer days were filled with adventures that fueled our imaginations and solidified the foundation of our friendship. From building makeshift forts in the tall grass to chasing fireflies as the sun dipped below the horizon, every moment was a treasure. As the years passed, our interests diverged, yet our connection remained unbreakable. One of the remarkable aspects of Emily's personality is her insatiable curiosity. While our small town provided a nurturing environment, she yearned for more knowledge and exposure. This drive led her to pursue higher education in a bustling city, miles away from the familiar landscapes of our childhood. The transition wasn't without its challenges, but Emily approached each obstacle with resilience and determination. As she delved into the world of academia, Emily discovered her passion for literature and language. The written word became a canvas where she painted her thoughts, dreams, and observations. The transformation was awe-inspiring, watching my cousin evolve into a wordsmith, crafting sentences that resonated with depth and emotion. Her journey through the realms of literature opened new avenues for us to connect, as we discussed classic novels, shared poetry, and debated the nuances of language. The linguistic diversity that characterized our family gatherings took on a new dimension with Emily's linguistic prowess. Family reunions became a melting pot of dialects and accents, each member contributing a unique flavor to the linguistic symphony. Emily, with her eloquence, bridged the gap between generations, seamlessly weaving together the old and the new through the power of language. Despite the physical distance that now separated us, technology became our ally in maintaining a constant connection. Video calls and messages became the threads that stitched our lives together across the miles. Through these virtual encounters, we shared our triumphs, navigated through challenges, and celebrated each other's milestones. Emily's presence, though digital, remained a comforting constant in the ebb and flow of our lives. Our paths diverged further as Emily embarked on a journey of self-discovery, traveling to distant lands and immersing herself in different cultures. The stories she brought back were like treasures from uncharted territories, enriching our conversations and broadening our perspectives. Her wanderlust became contagious, inspiring me to explore the world beyond my comfort zone and embrace the beauty of diversity. As the years unfolded, our lives took unexpected turns, and the once inseparable duo found solace in the understanding that distance couldn't diminish the strength of our bond. Emily's experiences shaped her into a global citizen, someone who embraced the richness of cultural differences and found unity in diversity. Our conversations evolved into a dance of ideas, influenced by the myriad cultures and experiences that colored our individual narratives. In the tapestry of our shared history, there were moments of joy and sorrow, triumphs and setbacks. Emily became not just a cousin but a confidant, a source of inspiration, and a pillar of support. The intricacies of our relationship mirrored the complexity of life itself, with its twists and turns, highs and lows. As we navigated the complexities of adulthood, Emily's steadfast presence became a source of comfort and stability. Through job changes, personal milestones, and the inevitable challenges life threw our way, knowing that my cousin was just a call away provided a sense of reassurance. Our bond, forged in the simplicity of childhood, had weathered the storms of life, emerging stronger and more resilient. Reflecting on the journey with my cousin, I am reminded that family is not just a matter of blood. It's a choice to stand by each other through thick and thin. In Emily, I found not only a relative but a kindred spirit who shared the tapestry of my past and contributed to the canvas of my present. Our story is a testament to the enduring power of familial connections, proving that even the vast expanse of geography cannot sever the ties that bind us. In conclusion, my cousin Emily is more than a relative, she is a chapter in the story of my life. A narrative woven with threads of love, shared memories, and the unspoken understanding that family is a tapestry where each member contributes a unique hue. As we continue to navigate the ever-changing landscape of life, I am grateful for the role Emily plays in shaping the narrative of our shared history, a story that continues to unfold with each passing day.